Hello, children. Today we are going to start with lesson number 14, The Naughty Boy. This is a poem from your English textbook, Max Learns Region English Reader. Learning objective: to make these students understand that nature has no boundaries. Now, before starting the poem, let's do the difficult words. Our first word is naughty. Naughty means mischievous. Part of speech, it is an adjective. Sentence: monkey is a naughty animal. Our next word is yard. Yard means open area. Part of speech, it is a noun. Sentence: my mother grows vegetables in the yard of house. Our next word is merry. Merry means cheerful. Part of speech, it is an adjective. Sentence: his laugh was merry and frank. Our next word is fourscore. It means 80. Part of speech, it is noun. Sentence: he had $4,000 in his pocket. Our next word is wondered. Wondered means surprised or astonished. Part of speech, it is a verb. Sentence: Victoria wondered in silence. So now, before reading the poem, let's understand the theme. So here there's a boy in this poem who thinks that the people of other countries are more superior and the people of his countries are inferior. He thinks that the people are different in every part of the world. So he goes to that country and sees that everyone is equal. He's very surprised, and at last he understands that nature has no boundaries, means nature has given everyone equal opportunities. The nature has given everyone equal things. So now let's read the poem. There was a naughty boy, and a naughty boy was he. He ran away to Scotland, the people there to see. Then he found tread the ground was as hard that a yard, was a long that a song, was as merry that a cherry, was as red that a lead, was as way that fourscore, was as 80, that a door was as wooden as in England. So he stood in his shoes as he wondered. He stood in his shoes as he wondered. So now let's understand the poem. So once there was a boy who was very mischievous. He was very naughty and he wanted to go to Scotland. So Scotland is a city in United Kingdom. So he wanted to see the difference between his country's people and Scottish people. So who are Scottish people? The people who live in Scotland. Like we call the people who live in India, we call them Indians. So in the same way, the people who live in Scotland are called as Scottish. He noticed that the ground was as hard as his own country and the yard was same in length as it was in his country. So yard, what is yard? Yard means the device which we use to measure the cloth. The song sung by the Scottish people was as cheerful as of his own people. And the color of the cherry was also same, means it was also of red color. The metal lead was as heavy as it was his country. The fourscore include 80 articles, which was again same. The wooden doors were there in Scotland as there were in England. So at the end, he was just wondering that there is no difference. Everything is similar. So he found no difference in Scotland and everything was similar, which was exactly same in England. So, the main idea of this poem is we should not feel that we are inferior from other countries. Rather, we should be proud of our country. So, I hope students that you have liked the poem and you have understand the poem. So, now let's do the recapitulation. Where did the boy wanted to go? Scotland or India? Yes, he wanted to go to Scotland. What did he notice? He noticed difference or he noticed similarity? Yes, he noticed similarity between both the countries, Scotland and England. So thank you, students.